So remember how this was really dominated by sellers, but we've got more buying in. So in this period of traders getting long, you can see it all, yeah? We haven't actually gone up. So we're not that trader who is bottom picking. I can see that it hasn't gone through, but it's not exactly going up, is it? So the opportunity here is for a bunch of these traders to get smashed. Know the saying, no pain, no gain. Well, in our business, we gain from others' pain. See all the slippage that just went on? So there's some pain. Right, I'm short. Right, see the big buyer that came in? What do they know? So there's some value according to some of the bigger players. It's a big order in liquidity. So that might be targeted. Let's see if I can join in and look for the order down here to get hit. Oh, and we'll be getting out there. No more shorts. Expansion, outcome known. Everyone can see the thing just went down. See how slow I was getting out? The market was so quick I couldn't react fast enough. Went short again. Now, this one's tricky because this is post the outcome known and I could be walking into a trap. The low hanging fruit has been and gone. Two failed attempts to get below this intra-session transition. So I need to get out. Now I took a small loss. What I did is go, you know what? I'm going to become a casualty. And I acted before it got worse. Whereas other traders who have not acted are sitting in there. So what's the opportunity now? What about those who refuse to accept what's clearly a potential scenario? I'm going to get on the other side of those who are going to get smashed for a second time. So I've got long right next to me at 26.5. I've got a whole bunch of offside sellers. So if they exit now, they have to take a loss. I'm on the opposite side to them. The opportunity to only get a paper cut was there. Now it's becoming really painful for them, isn't it? And that's how I think, in degrees of pain. I'm flat now. We just got that big buyer who's come in that may well be part of that huge selling inventory that's covering. So if that's the case, trading that sort of size probably knows what they're doing. Let's see whether or not we get some continuation to the upside. And this just in keeping with the overall hypothesis, which was once we get out of this area, we want to be long. So long. What I was hypothesizing is that big buy was actually a short seller who'd seen the market go up a couple of times. As soon as they can get out where they got in, they'll do it. And to me, that triggered a sense that the big players normally know what's going on and he or she or they is covering. So trying to use the smarts of a bigger player's intel. So it's just constantly trying to work out what the market's saying and act on multiple pieces of evidence. See buyers stepping in here, a couple of failures there. Getting some more business in finally here. So flat now, I'm going to call it a night.